Hello students, today we'll discuss about some topics of motion. Okay, starting from uniform velocity. Now let's start. Uniform velocity means, as we know, uniform means constant. If an object covers equal displacement in equal interval of time. Okay, however small these intervals means, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट हर घंटे में इक्वल डिस्प्लेसमेंट कवर करता है, मींस फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल फर्स्ट आवर में डिस्प्लेसमेंट क्या 60 किलोमीटर, सेकंड आवर में ऑल्सो 60, दैट इज सेड टू यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी. ओके, एंड यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी आल्सो नोन एज कांस्टेंट वेलोसिटी if magnitude and direction remains the same. Okay, example of this is running of metro train on a straight track, that is uniform motion. Now uniform velocity, the velocity of an object is said to be non-uniform if it covers unequal displacement in equal interval of time. Means फर्स्ट आवर में कोई ऑब्जेक्ट 60 किलोमीटर चलता है, सेकंड में 70 एंड थर्ड में 80. मीन्स टाइम तो इक्वल है बट डिस्प्लेसमेंट इक्वल नहीं है. देन इट्स सेड टू बी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी. फॉर एग्जांपल ए कार मूविंग ऑन ए बिजी नॉन लीनियर रोड, बिजी ट्रैक है, बिजी रोड है, उसमें कार क्या होगी, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी मूव करेगी. नाउ एवरेज वेलोसिटी, एवरेज मीन्स मीन वेलोसिटी. फॉर दिस लेट्स कंसीडर, लेट अस वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 8 AM and first hour we move 60 kilometer, in second hour we move 70 kilometer, in third hour we move 50 kilometer. Okay, now here in this case total time 3 hour and total velocity 60 plus 70 plus 50, that is 180 kilometer. Now average velocity, total displacement by total time. Okay, that is 180 by 3 hours, 60 km per hour. Velocity and speed of an object are same if an object moves straight line. Means straight line में velocity और speed क्या होंगे, that is same value. Okay, now student, acceleration, as we know, if velocity continuously changing, then it is said to be acceleration. The acceleration of an object is a measure of the change in the velocity of an object per unit time. Means जो continuously velocity में changing हो, then it is said to accelerations. For acceleration of an object defined as the rate of change of velocity of the object with time. Means acceleration अगर उसका velocity time के साथ change हो, then it is said to be accelerated, denoted by a. Now we say that change in velocity by time taken, that is the formula of acceleration. Also we know that uniform motion in a straight line, the velocity of object remains constant and it does not change with time. Means any object moves straight line like car or a train moves straight line, then there is no change in velocity. But in non-uniform motion or non-linear motion, means straight not straight, velocity object varies with time. देखिए अगर रोड आपका स्ट्रेट नहीं है तो उसमें क्या होगा, वेलोसिटी चेंज होगी. then they have different values at different times. Okay, now expression for acceleration, that is very simple from definition. Let us consider initial velocity of an object be u. After some time velocity changes, that becomes v. Okay, v here. Now change in velocity means अगर कोई चेंज होता है तो उसमें डिफरेंस होता है. इन दिस केस फाइनल वेलोसिटी माइनस इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, v माइनस u. नाउ वी से दैट change in velocity by time taken, final minus initial, v minus u by t, and it is a. Okay, a is equal to v minus u by t. Acceleration has both magnitude as well as directions. Because change in velocity is a magnitude, so acceleration also magnitude as well as direction, so it is a vector quantity. and its unit is meter per second square, or denoted by meter second inverse square or meter per second square. That is unit of acceleration. Okay. Now next topic, positive acceleration. In this case, if anything is positive, means here is increasing. Okay. If the direction of acceleration of an object is same as the direction of the velocity, the acceleration of set to positive, means जो direction velocity उसी में आपका acceleration है. In this case, final velocity greater than initial velocity. Let a railway train start from rest from station. द इंजन अप्लाई सो एज टू स्पीड अप ट्रेन, मीन्स कोई ट्रेन मूव की हुई स्टेशन से तो उसका इंजन उसको फोर्स देगा, उसकी ट्रेन को स्पीड का वो स्पीड अप करेगा, वेलोसिटी को बढ़ाएगा स्पीड, दैट इज पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन. नाउ नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन, इन दिस केस एज द नेम सजेस्ट, in this case acceleration is opposite to direction of motion velocity. The acceleration of an object is said to be negative if the direction of velocity acceleration is the opposite to the direction of velocity. In this case velocity of object decreasing, so it is said to be negative acceleration or deceleration or retardation, and new names are we taken. Now in the negative acceleration, final velocity less than initial velocity when object is deceleration or retardation. Here retardation. For example, when aeroplane lands on earth, speed of aeroplane decreases, means जब कोई प्लेन जमीन पर उतरता है तो उसकी जो स्पीड है लगातार डिक्रीज होगी, and so it is said to be in negative acceleration. Now uniform acceleration, let us consider if any object moves straight line. If velocity of an object straight line motion changes by equal amount in equal interval of time, okay, में straight line है और equal amount में उसमें changing आ रही velocity में, then it is said to be uniform acceleration or constant acceleration. Example, rolling of a bar down a frictionless inclined plane, मतलब कि जैसे आपका ये inclined plane है, इसमें कोई बॉल यूँ लगातार मूव करेगी एंड बिकम्स डाउन, इट इज सेड टू बी यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेल, क्योंकि स्ट्रेट है इसमें कोई चेंजिंग नहीं है. एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेल इज जस्ट अपोजिट टू दिस. इफ द वेलोसिटी ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट चेंजेस बाय अनइक्वल अमाउंट इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम, then the acceleration of the is said to be non-uniform or variables. Example, velocity of a bus running on a busy road. Okay, busy road में velocity उसके लगातार changing आएगी, that is non-uniform. And driver has to be use acceleration and brakes off and on, बार बार उसको acceleration को कम करेगा, रेस को कम करेगा, ज़्यादा करेगा. Okay, it is said to non-uniform acceleration. Okay students, last lecture we complete this chapter. Till then, goodbye.